on, dog. Let's go. Let's go, crazy. My little snowbird doggy. What you doing? I need some ice skates. Kidding. I will take a snowboard though. Definitely taking a snowboard trip to Oregon ASAP. You can't see too much, but I will show you over here. And where else can you see? I'll show you over here too. Some light, just living, doing what I do best. I'm gonna be out here. I might as well tap into the media. Shout out to everybody who been following me on BeatStars too. I haven't logged in there in so long, but I've been getting so much love with my little one track posted up. I'm about to hit them in the head real hard soon. Shout out to the little Yoda and the Fuel Boss. That's how we surviving these here lately. The SS will not be on the road for quite some time. I think I'm gonna buy another truck and just leave this thing parked.